Okay, so welcome to Pbteck. I'm Prince, and in this particular video, I'm going to take you through the things that you need to know about multiple LNBs installation. So, when it comes to multiple LNBs, there are some things that you need to know about multiple LNBs installation. The signal have to be on a particular direction or in a particular location. So, let's say you are to install MultiTv, which is on the east, this side, and Canal South, which is on the west, this side, and we have Dstv, which is also on the northeast. We have MyTv Africa on the northeast, and many other satellites that you're gonna find it in Africa. Most of them are on the east, specifically northeast. So in case you are to add multiple LNBs on a single satellite dish, you have to know the position of those satellites and whether you can get them on a single satellite dish before even thinking about the strategy that you're gonna use to get those satellites stable signal on each LNB on a single satellite dish. And you can use a bigger dish or a smaller dish depending on where the angles that you're going to get the other satellite stable signal from or the TPs from. So basically, to install MultiTv, Dstv, MyTv Africa, they are all on the northeast. Dstv is on the northeast 36 degrees, MyTv Africa on the northeast 16 degrees, and MultiTv on the northeast 28 degrees. So on elevational level, when you talk of elevational level, the distance from the earth. Okay, so on elevational level, if you are to install a stable satellite dish, MultiTv, Dstv, MyTv Africa, and you are to arrange them on elevational level, a stable signal, the Dstv satellite position have to be the lowest one among these three. Follow up on top with a MultiTv, which is 28, Dstv is 36, MultiTv 28, and MyTv is 16 degrees. But when it comes to multiple LNBs installation, fixing all of them on a single satellite dish, there is a strategy that you're going to use. Whether you get a primary signal, after getting the primary signal, you can get the other signal beside the primary signal LNB or on top of it or below the LNB bar, depending on the TP that you are trying to get and the location that you can actually get it from. So with these three different satellites, they are all on the same lane, meaning on the same exact direction, on the same straight line, you are possible to get all these satellites. So once it comes to multiple LNBs that are on the same line, on elevational level, to get all of them working, you first have to install the toppest or the highest signal to be your primary signal. MyTv is on the 16 degrees, which is on the toppest level on the east. So MyTv Africa have to be your primary signal. So first get a MultiTv LNB, Dstv LNB, and then the primary signal, which is the satellite dish, the LNB on top of it. You have to use that to track the MyTv signal. Okay, so with the MyTv, you first have to add a TP of the MyTv. You have a primary TP that you can use to get a signal very easily. And the primary TP is the 1080 for horizontal 30,000. So you add this TP and you can add it in any satellite name ranging from 26 degrees to at least 40 degrees. So you can add it in Astra 2A, Astra 2B, Hotbird, Arabsat, Intelsat, and any other satellite, Eurotelsat as well. Any other satellite that have the degrees ranging from 26 or either 23 to 40 degrees, just add over there. And you can also add your own satellite as well. So with a satellite name, it's like a folder that you are creating to add the TPs. So most often the satellite names is just a folder. So never get confused when it comes to the satellite name that you are adding the TP in it to get a stable signal. So in this case, after getting the stable signal of the MyTv Africa, which is not less than 60%, get a stable signal of the MyTv, not less than 60%. After getting the stable signal, to get the MultiTv signal, it goes up just 4 inches. Get a metal plate or a copper wire, depending on your location, where you can get the item that you can actually use it to hold the other LNB. We have an already made LNB holder that you can get it out there, but it's not common in most locations. So you have to use something to hold the other LNB on top of it to actually get the other signal. So in this case, you can get a copper wire. I normally use a flexible galvanized metal plate. So get a flexible galvanized metal plate, cut it in shape whereby it can fix into the LNB holder. Okay, so the length that can actually fix into the LNB holder is just ½ inch. So you cut the ½ inch and then measure 6 inches. So the 6 inches, 1 inch will go on top of the LNB, and then the other 1 inch will go down on the primary LNB. Okay, so the middle have to be the 4 inches, and then you adjust it a bit to get a stable signal of the MultiTv. It will not try hard. If you get a stable signal of the MyTv, it won't be that hard enough to get a MultiTv signal. And it actually goes up from the MultiTv angle, it goes up just 2 inches. So in case you are adding another LNB on top of the MultiTv LNB, it should go up just 2 inches. Or if you are adding that LNB on top of the MyTv primary, which is the primary signal, it should be 6 inches exactly. And then adjust it to get a signal right there. And if you have a bigger satellite dish, let's say you have a 90 centimeter satellite DSTV satellite dish, the dish that is among the set of the decoders is basically a 90 centimeter satellite dish, most often 80 centimeter, or a C-band. You can get StarTime, MultiTv, MyTv Africa, and then DSTV mini, which is 4 different TPs or 4 different satellites on a single satellite dish. The StarTime signal is a bit far away from the MultiTv, DSTV, and then MyTv signal angle. It is on the southeast. MultiTv and DSTV is on the northeast. So you have a bigger satellite dish which can actually get enough of the signal microwaves that have been thrown from the clouds coming down. You can actually gather a lot of the signal. So you just extend on the right side of the signal of your MultiTv or the DSTV, you just extend another LNB over there to get a StarTime signal right there. Alright, and if you are a subscriber here, I'll be doing a tutorial on how you can actually get a CBC Sports and MultiTv on a single satellite. It's not that hard to get those signals on a single satellite. So just subscribe to this channel. I'm here to give you multiple and great content as well. Alright, thanks for watching. Bless up.